Question number 5 on not-for-profit organization. This is an important question as you have adjustment entries in this. So please pay attention. Compute income from subscription for the year ended 31st March 2015. Subscription being 2 lakhs. Okay. So my income I can write here by subscription. 2 lakhs in the inner column. Reading further, you have been given balances of the previous year, that is 2014, and of the current year, that is 2015. So outstanding subscriptions on 2014 and 2015, subscriptions received, that is in 2014 and 2015, that is received in advance. Okay, so what I should do immediately is that in balance sheet I know that outstanding subscriptions, they are due. Subscriptions are my income, they are due, but I have still not received them. So in the current year, what will I do is, in the balance sheet of 2015, outstanding subscription is my asset. Of 60,000. See, outstanding subscription means they are due. I have to still receive them. So if this is my asset, and subscription received, that is although not due, I have still received them. So this becomes my liability, subscription received in advance. In advance, that's my liability, and that is 30,000 rupees. So this is the way it will be shown in your balance sheet. Now how will it appear in your income and expenditure account? So by subscription you have already written. Now outstanding, my formula is add outstanding less prepaid for the current year, right? And when then it is for the previous year, you have to just reverse it. So by subscription 2 lakh, add outstanding subscription of the current year, so it is plus 60,000. Okay, now I have some outstanding subscriptions according to year 2014, so I need to less those previous year outstanding. These are 20,000, so less 20,000. Now add outstanding and less prepaid. So just calculating this first. This is 260 minus 2240. Now add outstanding less prepaid, so minus prepaid 30,000 is what is prepaid, so subtracted, but you will add prepaid of previous year. How much is it? 40,000. So add up 40,000. That becomes 2,50,000. Now that is the amount of your subscription. So simple formula, add outstanding less prepaid for the current year, but when you have been given information of the last year, instead of add outstanding, see for last year, instead of add outstanding, do previous year outstanding has to be subtracted. And the same way for prepaid, since it is less prepaid for the current year, do add prepaid for the previous year, because already adjustment must have been done. So do the opposite of that. Now this is how you will present the items in your income and expenditure statement, and in your balance sheet.